What up, guys? So here's a quick update on my portfolio. I'm currently at $20,345. I've gained market gain $502. Earned dividends is at 174. For my buys tomorrow morning, I have five. I'm buying Nike around 105, Ally around 32 bucks, SCHD around $72, Apple around 135, and T-Row around 116. Um, these are all dividend pairs right here. So yeah, just buying small, dollar cost averaging into it. I recently did add $800 to my buying power because the market did dip. So just getting a little aggressive, if it keeps dropping, I'll just add more buying power pretty soon. I do think it's gonna be dropping a bit more within the few next week. So yeah, just dollar cost averaging, playing small right now. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. No new companies that I have added. Ally, I believe that is a new one. I'm not sure if I mentioned it on the last video, but yeah, that's pretty much it as far as my buys. Still adding 300 every week. If the market keeps pulling back, I'll throw in more capital. That's pretty much it as far as an update on my portfolio. And yeah, tomorrow it is Friday, September 2nd, so that's when my buys will be going in the morning. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Be sure to subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe. Peace.